Alrighty, everybody, welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Sorry about that. Well, got another one for you coming out today. Got a few more tools to show off. Yes, this is stuff I've been buying over the past couple of weeks, i.e. JD Tico. Nonetheless, one of these items I really do like. I mean, you can stick this thing to a wall, any kind of surface that you can possibly dream of, it'll stick to it. So I'll go ahead and show y'all. It is the Astro Slim Cup heavy duty magnetic work light suction cup. It is made in China. Branded is Astro. Spoiler, I did open this stuff last night and decided to put it to a test run, and nonetheless it stuck to a doggone wall. But one side is magnetic and the other side does have a suction cup. You press that little lever down right there and it conforms to any surface that you put it to. We're going to try to put it to the side of the truck.
What's up, little girl? What's up? That's my old lady.
As y'all can see, that thing is stuck to the side of the truck. It ain't coming off. Right until I pull it off. But I will be buying more of these little items. If y'all want to see further testing, that surface is dirty. It is the taillight of a car. Again, that part is dirty too. All right, stick it on there. Put that. Ooh, won't stick to it. Yeah, well, it's stuck to it. Not all that great, but nonetheless, I would highly advise these little magnetic little suction cup thingies for your work lights. Come in really, really handy. Next item, I've been wanting this item for a very, very long time. I didn't really want to buy it from anyone else but JD Tico. I'm glad he actually got this in stock. Appreciate that, JD Tico, for getting this item in stock. It is the 3-piece gear wrench XX hose grip plier set. Part number on this is 82107-06. It is the long reach pliers. Hose grip plier set. Go ahead and get it out of the box. Three different sizes. They do have the X groove in it to give you extra leverage and let you get into more confined spaces under the hood. They are this really nice set of pliers. I don't know if I'm going to be using them today, but if so, y'all will see them in action. nonetheless. It does have a lifetime warranty on it. Long reach for greater access. Jaws open wider than the handle. The grips are oil and solvent resistant. These pliers are they don't say where they're made. I don't know. I don't see where they're made. Ah.
They've been seeing our cats like tied up under the house.
Alrighty. Sorry I had somebody come up to me wanting to talk. It's product of Vietnam, finished in China. It is from Apex Tool Group. It does have USA on it, but I highly doubt these are made in the USA pliers. So if I had to guess, these pliers are made in China or Taiwan or Vietnam, somewhere out there. But I've been wanting these pliers. I do have the long reach regular pliers similar to this set, so that completes these this plier set. But it does come in this handy dandy little plastic molding case for easy storage, or you can take them out the case and throw them in your toolbox, or however you want to store them. Not a bad buy. Not a bad buy at all. I think I paid $55 for that set. This next item, y'all will see in action today, because I do have to do some work to the Silverado with this tool. This tool got ordered because I have to do the work I have to do to the Silverado. But nonetheless, this particular item didn't come from JD Tico. This one came from Amazon. JD Tico didn't have this set. If he would have had it, I would have bought it from him. You really can't go wrong with JD Tico, not whatsoever. They are really good group to order from. But the item number is 41720. It is the 8-piece master sensor socket set. Yes, that's the kitty. It's got the 1/2-inch oil sender socket in it. It's got the 22. It's got the all right, sorry about that, folks. The cat was being a little pain in the butt. But it does have 8 different sensor sockets in it. It is a full kit. It is the 8-piece. Nonetheless, I think I paid $60 for this set on Amazon. Not a bad buy. Not for what it offers. And last but not least, JD Tico was nice enough to send me a few little extras, little stickers. But if y'all like this video, please like, comment, share, subscribe, and ring that bell. Alright, sorry about that, folks. But make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring that bell so to keep you up to date on my videos and my live streams when I do them. But until the next time, y'all keep those wheels spinning, beavers grinning, and the Raging Cajun will catch you on the next one. Peace out.